Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Monitorix on Ubuntu 22.04. Before installing Monitorix, you need to update the repository using the following command. Then, install Monitorix with its dependencies using the following command. Next, check the Monitorix version. Then, enable Monitorix by using the following command. After enabling, check the status of the Monitorix. By default, Monitorix listens on TCP port 8080. You can verify this by running To run system monitoring with Monitorix, you need to do some configuration tuning according to your system details. Now, open the Monitorix configuration file for editing. You can see some of the configuration options of Monitorix that we are changing in this demo. Be sure to replace the settings according to your environment. Next, adjust the rest of the options to suit your needs. You can also enable or disable the Monitorix graphs to be displayed. After that, save and quit the configuration file once done making changes. Once you are satisfied with the configurations, restart the Monitorix service. If Firewall D is running, open the TCP port 8080 on it. Now, Monitorix can be accessed from a web browser using the following URL. Click the OK button to see the server status on the next page. You can see the network port traffic and many other dashboards for various statistics.